Hi, I'm Vadim Smolyakov. Welcome to this channel, a place where we can explore ideas that help us understand both technology and life more deeply. I'm the author of Machine Learning Algorithms in Depth and Life Guide Now books, and this channel brings together two topics I care deeply about, helping people succeed in life and in tech. On the tech side, we'll break down machine learning, AI, algorithms, programming, and the ideas behind modern systems. Not just how they use them, but how they actually work. On the life side, we'll talk about topics like goals, habits, decision-making, learning, productivity, philosophy, and building a meaningful life in a rapidly changing world. My goal is simple: to make complex ideas understandable, practical, and useful. Whether you're here to grow as an engineer, think more clearly, improve your life, or stay curious about the future, you're in the right place. If that sounds interesting, subscribe and join me for new videos. Let's learn, build, and grow together. See you in the next video.